What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. So Instagram didn't really make it that easy to delete your account, but it's probably for a good reason so that you don't accidentally delete it. But let me show you really quickly how to do that. You're gonna go to your Instagram profile page, then you're gonna click the settings thing, scroll down to support and help center. Then you're just gonna type in the search bar, you're gonna type delete account. Now you're gonna find one of the results will probably be how do I delete my account? And you're gonna click on that. It's gonna take you to this page. You can read it if you want, but you don't really have to. You're gonna click this link, go to the delete your account page. Then it's gonna open this page. Now it's gonna be pretty blank until you tell them why you're deleting an account. So then you click on one of these reasons, and then they'll give you some little explanation trying to make you not delete your account. But then to delete your account, you're gonna enter in your password in this bar right here, and then tap the big red scary button, permanently delete my account, and voila, your Instagram account is gone from Instagram and no one can find you. That's the easy way to delete your Instagram account. Guys, if you want to see more tutorial videos like this to help you learn how to use technology to improve your lifestyle, hit that subscribe button. Also guys, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and you learned how to delete your Instagram account or learn something new. And we'll see you guys in the next video.